So you want to hear school students talk about their travel experiences, learnings, escapades, episodes, knowledge, incidents from all the corners of the globe. Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world. Brought to you by EdTerra Adventures, committed to truly educational student travel.
Hi everyone, welcome to Terra Talks podcast. I'm your host Ashlyn Verma from SVISG, and today we have 4 amazing campers from EdTerra Camp: Nitya, Anushka, Shivangi and Yuvika. They're here to share their incredible stories of bravery.
Terra Talk, a platform from where young voices reach out to the world.
Let's get started. Shivangi, could you tell us about your moment of fearlessness?
Sure, Sam. I am Shivangi, a student of SVISG. My moment happened during the rope climbing challenge. I was halfway up the wall when I looked down and froze. But then I remembered our team motto, riding through the challenges. I took a deep breath, focused on one step at a time, and made it to the top. It felt amazing to conquer that fear.
Wow, that sounds intense, Shivangi. Great job. Nitya, what was your fearless moment?
Mine was during the forest hike. We were walking through the forest and the path was really narrow. I was really scared of the noises around us. But then I decided to trust my guide and the friend. I kept walking and soon I started enjoying the sounds of nature. It was actually pretty cool.
Awesome, Nitya. It's amazing how facing our fears can lead to new experiences. Anushka, what about you?
My moment of fearlessness was at the zip lining event. I'm terrified of heights, but when it was my turn, I wanted to back out. But with everyone cheering me on, I took the leap. The rush of the wind and the view from up there was unforgettable. I'm so glad I did it.
That must have been really exhilarating. And Yuvika, what was your fearless moment?
For me, it was during the slingshot show. I always been shy about performing in front of the people, but as I decided to present the model we had made. As I started, I felt so nervous, but I continued. The audience applause gave me confidence. By the end, I was very happy.
That's fantastic, Yuvika. It takes a lot of courage to perform in front of an audience. Each one of you has shown incredible bravery. I recall the most scary event for me being the valley crossing. I was terrified when getting on to the dynamic rope, but as soon as I reached the middle, I felt very relaxed, just like a bird. Before we wrap things up, what advice would you like to give to someone who's scared to try new things?
I'd say take it one step at a time and remember that it's okay to be scared.
Trust yourself and the people around you.
Sometimes the scariest things turn into the best memories.
Believe in yourself and don't be afraid to shine.
Great advice! Thank you everyone for sharing your moments of fearlessness. And thank you listeners for tuning in to Terra Talks podcasts. Remember, facing your fears can lead to amazing adventures. Until next time, stay brave.
Bye!
Like what you're listening? Stay tuned for new podcasts on edterra.com/Terra Talk.